The baby chickens are here. This is how they came in the post office. We just drove down there to pick them up. We need to get some kind of scissors to open them up. Excited, Bubby? There's baby chickens in there. They're so little. So he's gonna open the. We take each chicken and we gotta put its beak in the water so they know where the water's at. Daddy, help.
All right, we just picked up these little chickens from the post office. There's 15 of them. So we're just gonna pick them up nice and gentle. These are Speckled Sussex. So we're gonna pick them up nice and gentle. And we're gonna show them the water.
Axel, don't do it. They're drinking water. Goodness, they're cute. These are Speckled Sussex. They're a dual purpose chicken. So they're good egg layers. And they're good meat chickens. Yeah, they're baby Speckled Sussex chickens. They are so stinking cute. They're born on May 20th, so today they are 2 days old.
Cute. It's so cute. It's so
Cute, guys.
What?
Checking on the baby chicks. They are still spry, eating, drinking. Some of them are pretty sleepy. The thermometer is reading 88.7 degrees Fahrenheit, and what's recommended for baby chicks the first week is 95. However, they're all kind of moving around, so I'm not too worried about it. If they were all huddled under the light, I probably can consider lowering it a little bit, but they seem to be okay with the temperature. So we're just gonna keep an eye on that.